Hello guys, let me show you how to change watch faces on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So, let's start. First of all, we need to press and hold this button in the center of the watch to go in the main menu. And right here we'll find option watch face, we need to click it. And now we can scroll till we find our best watch face. Let me do it again. Let's select watch face. You can also do it by this button, which is down button, and by this button, which is up button. Click this start button so you can apply this watch face for your lock screen. Or you can also change the data, change the color, and change the accent color. Let's do it for example. And by clicking this button, you will be able to change the accent color. When you're done, just click this button and select apply. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.